Ever wondered how hacking works on phones? We've got you covered. In this video, I'll introduce you to 13 easy-to-understand tools hackers use to crack into mobile apps. Get ready to become a mobile security expert. This video is for educational purposes only, and I'm sure it will be useful to you, especially since mobile hacking has become a key skill within the cybersecurity field. Let's jump right into it. BurpSuite is a powerful tool used for web application security testing, but it's also extremely useful for mobile hacking. Its intercepting proxy feature allows hackers to examine and manipulate the communication between a mobile app and its server. By analyzing this communication, hackers can identify vulnerabilities and potential exploits within the app's network traffic. JADX is a powerful tool for hackers looking to understand the inner workings of Android applications. It simplifies the process of decompiling APK, Android application package files, giving access to the app's source code. By decompiling an APK, ethical hackers can analyze the code, identify security flaws, and gain insights into the app's functionality. APKTool plays a crucial role in the mobile hacking toolkit by allowing users to disassemble and reassemble APK files. This capability is particularly useful for ethical hackers seeking to patch mobile applications. By dissecting and modifying the APK, security professionals can address vulnerabilities, enhance security measures, and even customize the application for ethical testing purposes. Next on the list is Reflutter. This application is often utilized to deal with Flutter apps that have their own SSL pinning, ignoring the proxy set in the mobile's network configuration. With Reflutter, the APK can be patched to instruct it to send data directly to Burp. ABE, short for Android Backup Extractor, plays a big role in the ethical hackers toolkit by facilitating the extraction of valuable information from Android applications. Particularly noteworthy is its functionality in retrieving sensitive data when the allow backup attribute is active in the Android manifest. By harnessing ABE, ethical hackers can delve into application backups, uncovering private information that might otherwise remain obscured. GD, a generic DEX analyzer, is a powerful decompiler that offers a multitude of functions for delving into Android application source code. Noteworthy for its comprehensive insights, GDA stands out among decompilers, providing nuanced details for in-depth analysis. ADB Shell, an essential command line tool used by ethical hackers to assess the vulnerability of exported components within Android applications. Beyond just testing, it allows for in-depth exploration, enabling the hacker to scrutinize and understand the intricacies of these components, ensuring a comprehensive evaluation of potential security loopholes. Objection is a Frida-based framework with multiple functions, including evading root, SSL pinning, retrieving information from local storage, bypassing fingerprint, etc. It works on both Android and iOS as it utilizes Frida in the background. Frida is a useful tool for patching applications, applicable to both rooted, jailbroken, and non-rooted, non-jailbroken devices. It allows real-time editing of the mobile application's behavior. A powerful command line tool is used for crafting queries that are not only reproducible, but also user-friendly for clients. Its flexibility and simplicity make it an essential component in the ethical hackers toolkit for seamless communication with web servers. SSL Kill Switch serves as a powerful tool for ethical hackers navigating SSL pinning challenges on iOS devices. By acting as a tweak, it effectively bypasses SSL pinning, decrypting the encrypted communication between iOS apps and servers. This unique capability empowers ethical hackers to analyze unencrypted traffic, facilitating a comprehensive security assessment and uncovering potential vulnerabilities within the app's communication protocols. Hopper is a tool designed for iOS binary reverse engineering, enabling a deep dive into IPA files, revealing intricate details such as methods and potential secrets in the source code. Its precision and efficiency make it an invaluable asset for dissecting and understanding iOS applications. ProxyDroid comes to the rescue when an Android application disregards the system proxy settings. It serves as a crucial intermediary, ensuring that network traffic flows seamlessly through designated proxies, enhancing the ethical hacker's control and visibility. If you want to add any tool to this list, let me know in the comments. Hope you enjoyed this video and check out this one next.